we chose to remember them. And to me, that's the real afterlife. Okay, so dun naman tayo sa tanong na atheist ka. Paano pag namatay ka at may God nga pala talaga? Hindi ka ba natatakot? Well, pag namatay ako and I found na there's a God, at itong all-powerful God na to gusto akong lagay sa impyerno for not believing, syempre wala akong magagawa doon. Pero sa paraan na nabuhay ako, sinubukan kong hanapin ang katotohanan about God more than most people. Sa lahat ng kaguluhan ng religion, hindi ko nakita. At for me, kung gusto akong paniwalain ng isang all-knowing at isang all-powerful God at gusto niya akong bigyan ng malinaw na instructions on how to get to heaven, ay sigurado akong kayang-kaya niyang gawin yan. Pero hindi niya ginawa. Given na nabuhay ako na may respeto at naging mabait sa mga tao most of my life, at gusto pa din akong ilagay ng God na yan sa impyerno, then so be it. Again, wala akong magagawa dun. But I'll be okay. I'm not gonna be happy because no one wants to be in a hell. But I'd be okay knowing na I did my part. And I don't want to worship an unfair, unreasonable God anyway. Okay? So pagdating naman sa death, for me, death is what makes living or life special. The fact that this can end anytime. Ako, I think about death all the time. Lalo na habang tumatanda ako, nakikita ko yung mga taong nauunang namamatay sa akin. Lagi kong iniisip na one day, that will be me. Madali kasing makalimutan to eh. Dahil sa isang taon, may 365 days. Times mo yan sa ilang taon ka na nabubuhay. Let's say you're 30 years old. That's almost 11,000 na araw na natulog ka at nagising ka ulit. Kaya it's easy to overlook the fact that we will die. Because most of us, we just keep waking up every day. But remember, merong mga 150,000 na tao ang namamatay sa mundo araw-araw. One day, that's going to be me or you. Now, this mindset gives me the sense of urgency. Death inspires me to do things I want to do now. Yes, I'm afraid of the pain of death. Pero you know what I'm more afraid of? Regrets. Or dying with a lot of regrets. Yung may mga bagay ka na gusto kang gawin na hindi mo nagawa. Ito share ko sa inyo. Isang magandang self-reflection or self-improvement exercise. Gaya ng karamihan ng tao, marami akong gustong gawin sa buhay pero hindi ko sinusulat. Nasa isip ko lang lahat. Mas maganda pala kung isusulat mo or itype mo sa phone mo or somewhere na lagi mong makikita. Now, list the things that you want to do in life. Mga pangarap mo or kung ngayon ka palang mag-uumpisa yung mga pangarap mo noon na nagawa mo na, sulat mo or itype mo lang. Tapos, think of these as your possible regrets list. Yung iba tawag to-do list or bucket list. Ako gusto ko possible regrets. Kasi no one wants to have regrets. And the goal is to cross out as much of the possible regrets on your list. So the goal is to cross off as many from your possible regrets list as soon as possible. So tama yung ad ng Nike. Just do it. Do it now. Remember, we are in a race with death. That's why I use death as an inspiration to do things that I want to do at wag nang maging tamad. Huwag mo na ipagpaliban yan. Just do it. Of course, as long as it's not against the law and you're not hurting other people. Kasi may mga pilosopo dyan, mamaya, just do it tapos illegal pala. Huwag naman ganun. Sayang yung buhay mo. So, halimbawa, gusto mong umpisahan yung banda na yan, do it. Gusto mong makipagkilala sa crush mo, just do it. Gusto mong makipag-ayos sa tatay mo, makagalit mo na matagal na, just do it. Gusto mong mag-start ng business, kung kaya mo na, just do it. Or at least do what you can to start as soon as possible. Kasi it doesn't matter if you fail or succeed. Because even if you fail, it's okay because you can still cross that out from your possible regrets list. And to me, that's what's important. To cross out as many things on that list right away. Karamihan sa ating mga tao gustong mabuhay ng matagal. Parang nakikipag-contest pahabaan ng buhay. Sa tingin ko, hindi pahabaan ng buhay. Dapat ang contest ay pakontian ng regrets. As an atheist, I accept reality. Kahit minsan, reality can be painful or unpleasant. Yung kamatayan hindi masarap isipin. Pero imbis na matakot or malungkot, mas maganda gamitin na lang natin yung realidad na to to do the right things for ourselves and for other people right now.
Tunay na lumikha sa ating larang, may makapangyarihan